Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer files or folders from one Google Drive account to another. So let's get right into it. Now, what you can do is pretty much just share access with somebody else, and that is going to pretty much share them to a different account. Now, keep in mind that only the creator has the full access to the file, or the uploader, and the other accounts won't be able to access it fully. If for some reason their permissions get removed, they won't be able to access the files anymore. But pretty much what you need to do is select the file or folder that you want, click manage access, and then you can either click on anyone with the link and send the link and open it with a different account, and you'll be able to access this folder or file. Or you can just click restricted and then just add somebody over the top here, or just, yeah, pretty much copy the link and send it to them with restricted access. You'll need to add them over here so that they can, well, get it, and that's pretty much it. You can also send these files to other people and they can download it and upload it themselves to their own accounts. However, that is kind of tricky and not efficient, but I'm not sure if there is a way to officially send a file to somebody else's drive, except if you create a shared folder, in which case they will have full permissions to access that folder. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.